Hey everyone, this is Kelly with Usborne Books and More, and I'm so excited to show you some of our new math books. We're going to start with a math puzzle pad. This one is $5.99. It's a flexi binding, so you can see it's not a hardback, it's not a paperback, it's kind of in the middle, so it's flexible. You can stick it places. So here's kind of the first page, tells you what to expect. There are the answers in the back, and there are also some blank pages at the back that you can use for calculations. And what I really love about this book is it just covers all kinds of different kinds of math topics, and it's super colorful. It's using real life pictures. It's not just a boring math book talking about seating arrangements. The one I looked at a while ago, let's see if I can find it, talked about ingredients to make a cheeseburger. Watch, I'm not gonna be able to find it. Alright, let's see. Where's the cheeseburger problem? Alright, the shirt seems right. Same. Remember the cupcake problem. And then the balancing. This one was pretty cool. This one, it kind of reminds me of an algebra problem. You have to use the 3 different scales. The first 2 are balanced, the bottom one is not. So you're gonna have to figure out what does it mean to make it a balanced scale. So I thought that one was really cool. Alright, the cheeseburger one is over here. There's that starfish one. Is the cheeseburger problem? Here we go. Okay, so you're making a burger bar. It has all the different ingredients and what you need per serving, and you have to figure out exactly how many complete cheeseburgers can be made. So I thought that one was really cool. Okay, so let's take a look at that. They have a help sheet to help you out with some things and all of the answers. So if you're a little unsure, here's the space for calculations. Okay, all right, so the next one that I'm really excited about, this one's for my youngest, adding and subtracting activity book. And it's to help us work on our adding, but as you can see, it's colorful. She's gonna wanna pull this out and work on her addition skills. Starting smaller, and then some of those ones in the back that I started showing you at first, we're working with 2-digit numbers. Okay, this one's also a flexi binding. It's not a paper, but it's kind of a paperback. And this one is $9.99. All right, and then the last one, this one I'm excited about for my oldest one, Lift the Flat Fractions and Decimals. So here's a look at our table of contents, what you're going to be able to do with decimals and fractions and percents. It first talks about parts of a number, what are fractions, and this part I thought was really cool. So there are these 2 alligators that have bitten parts of a sandwich, and when you think about those pieces, so if I take those 2 little pieces, that adds up to a 4th, and if I take this one where they chomped out the top, that's also a 4th too. So it's showing you how the same fraction can be illustrated differently. Okay, and then we're going to talk about naming fractions, sorting them on a number line, and how to know what's more, comparing them, which is usually difficult to master, changing them to decimals, talking about our percents, and then here we have a nice little conversion chart that kind of shows a fraction, how it looks like in a pie chart, our decimal, and then our percent. So because this one's a Lift the Flat book, it is $14.99, and it is a hardback. So that is a look at some of our new math titles.